Here I have Nokia 220, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the Files application on your device, like this. Then in this list, select memory card, tap on this button here and select format. Then OK. And after a few seconds, SD card will be formatted and ready to be used anew. As you can see, formatting complete. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.